Hey everybody, guess what we're doing today? Walt is
Digging up potatoes.
digging up the potatoes. What do we got? Nothing
See
yet.
what size they are.
Oh wow,
It's one.
that's a nice one. Oh, they're good sized.
It's two. Baby.
Oh, little bitty baby.
Oh, I feel them down here.
You feel them?
Yeah.
So exciting. We've been waiting a while for these.
Yep.
So you can just pull that plant up too.
Yeah, but they're gonna break off. So.
Yeah. Oh, there's one on there. Got it. Oh, look at the little babies on there. It's still growing, huh?
Yep. Still producing.
That's all right. We couldn't wait any longer.
I'm gonna put some more in the ground though.
Yeah, plant another harvest.
They say you can get a fall harvest, so I'm gonna see.
Now, how many potatoes did we plant? Like
5.
5 or 6?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys, this is so cool. You put a potato in the ground and you get potatoes.
It's a rock.
Throw the rock away, babe. There's a baby. We're saving everything, no matter how little.
Well, I'm gonna replant those.
No. We'll eat them. If they don't have an eye on them, they won't produce anything. They'll just rot. Ooh, is that a rock?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about to say that's a nice one. I think you got what you got over here, huh?
Let's see.
Pull that plant up.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna go to that side in a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
What's Oh, it broke off or something?
What do you mean?
Oh, it looked like half a potato. Wow, that's a nice one.
little keep getting away from me.
The littles.
Yeah.
Pull that plant up, huh? Okay. Wow, nice.
Okay.
Oh, wow. They got pretty big, huh?
Yep.
Good soil we had them in. If y'all remember, it was topsoil and compost. Wow. I'll make a good baked potato, huh?
Yep.
Oh, I see one. Oh, they went down deep, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wow. I'm surprised they got so big.
Yeah.
Our very first potato harvest.
Don't think hit.
One last one.
That one was down there deep.
Yeah. Makes you wonder, huh? Use your trowel. If we miss one, it'll grow up next year. So, babe, how's it feel? Farmer
Good.
Walt?
Feeling
Farmer
real good.
Walt? How many pounds do you think we got? 10 pounds?
Yeah. Yeah, about 10.
10 pounds out of 5 potatoes.
And a nice one.
And a worm. Go fishing. All right, y'all. Say bye, babe.
Goodbye.